Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious tuna egg spread. First, gather your ingredients, including canned tuna, hard-boiled eggs, and mayonnaise. Next, prepare the eggs by peeling and chopping them finely. Then, drain the tuna thoroughly to remove excess liquid. Finally, combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. This simple guide will help you create a versatile and tasty spread in minutes. To begin, you'll need 2 5-ounce cans of quality tuna, either packed in water or oil, drained very well. Next, prepare 4 large hard-boiled eggs. Ensure they are completely cooled before peeling. For the creamy base, grab about 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery for a nice crunch, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to add a little zing. First, take your cooled, peeled hard-boiled eggs and chop them into small, consistent pieces. Next, flake the thoroughly drained tuna into a medium mixing bowl. Now, add the chopped eggs, mayonnaise, celery, and Dijon mustard to the tuna. Season the mixture with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Gently mix everything together until all ingredients are well combined and creamy. This delicious tuna egg spread is ready to enjoy right away on crackers, toast, or as a hearty sandwich filling. For even better flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Feel free to customize it by adding 1 tablespoon of chopped red onion for a sharper bite, or 1 teaspoon of fresh dill or parsley for a lovely herbal touch. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.